Earwax problems don't always cause obvious hearing loss. Sometimes the first sign is persistent itchiness. While it seems minor, itching often signals a disruption in your ear's natural balance. Earwax protects and lubricates the canal. When levels are too low, the ear becomes dry and irritated. Conversely, excessive buildup can trap moisture and cause pressure, leading to ongoing discomfort. Many people respond by scratching or using cotton buds. However, this often makes things worse by damaging delicate skin or pushing wax deeper. Professional examination is the best solution. An audiologist can determine if the issue is wax buildup, dryness, or another condition. If wax is present, safe removal restores normal comfort. Don't ignore the signal. Maintaining the right earwax balance keeps your ears protected and healthy. Visit our clinic for expert care today. Our professional team is here to help restore your ear health and comfort.